Hi guys, you're welcome back. I want to teach us how to solve a question from order of operation, okay? Follow me to the board and let's learn together. We have on the board bracket 5, open bracket 5 minus 1, close bracket 5 minus 1. Now, there are some common methods, common ways with which people solve this question and they get the answer wrongly. I will show you the wrong method, then I will show you the correct way of solving the equation, okay? So follow me to the board. Now we have 5 minus 1, bracket 5 minus 1. Common mistake people do is by doing something like this. You solve 5 minus 1, which is 4, times 5 minus 1, which is also 4. So 4 times 4 will give us 16, all right? But this answer is not correct. The reason why this answer is very wrong is because we have a rule in order of operation which is called BODMAS. Other people call it PEMDAS, all right? So if we are using our BODMAS rule, BODMAS, this B stands for bracket, okay? This O is exponent. This D stands for division. The M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition, while S stands for subtraction, all right? And using this rule, we have to solve this equation from left to right. So if we solve this equation from left to right, our answer will not give us 16, okay? So just follow me closely and you will see the correct answer, okay? So first of all, we have to do this bracket, which is this, followed by exponent. If there's exponent in the equation, before division, the multiplication. Don't forget, when you are solving this equation, division and multiplication always have equal priority. So you have to solve from left to right. So now, if we do this bracket first, 5 minus 1 will give us 4. Don't forget that there's an invisible multiplication there, because when the number and the parentheses are close, it means we have to multiply. So we put our multiplication sign here. So now we have two operators, which is multiplication and subtraction. Now in our order of operation, if you check, multiplication comes first before subtraction. So we have to multiply this first. 4 times 5 is going to give us what? 20. So 20 minus 1 is equals to what? 19. So 19 is the correct answer and not 16. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on your notification for more videos. Bye.